Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with the midday update. Okay, 5-minute chart, and what we saw was a move back to the daily pivot. We talked about on the hourly chart this morning how the daily pivot was support, came back and retested that area and held. So on the 5, you ended up with support at the daily pivot that hopped up over the top. Your opening print of the day was 39. We actually ended up, we got chopped up a little bit in here. I'm always willing to try a short on Monday morning to see if it can reach down and do something like the weekly pivot down at 23.5, 24. Didn't do it. So what did we take? A minus 2.5 on that one. We had a long then against 39, comes back, tests our risk marker at 39. We were able to get in at 39.5, and we are riding lots of profits and still a runner as we go in to test the 5-minute mid-band here. So more than made up for the minus 2.5. I just took my middle third for 13 handles. So what we're looking for now is, does the 5-minute mid-band want to be support? If it does, can it continue to make higher highs? As we look at the daily chart, just really briefly, you can see we are dealing with the daily chart. You can see the small compression in the bands. Don't think for a minute the bands can't expand to the upside, which is kind of what we were talking about this morning. We are not compressed. We are not overbought. We are not parabolic. We have not gone too far too fast. We've done none of that. That's all nonsense. Don't fall for any of that. That's what I was really trying to drive home with the webcast this morning. If it wants to continue to do these little pre-9:30 walk downs and they continue to buy them and they continue to make higher highs, then we're going to see a lot more days like we're seeing today, which is follow through and more bleed to the upside. All right, everybody have a good one. I'll be back with a wrap up. Trade 'em well.